The origins of burritos are a little shrouded in mystery. Burritos were supposedly named after the resemblance to blanket and supply rolls loaded on the donkeys used to pull taco carts. None of these accounts are truly verified. In the 1930s, burritos made their way to California, where the Mission Burrito, burritos wrapped in foil, spread like wildfire through the state. Eventually, burritos found their way into mainstream fast food outlets. Unfortunately, burritos have become such a staple of people's diets that they are now contributing to the obesity epidemic. So, I went on a search to find the elusive, healthy burrito. Folly Pets Guru on the hill. I've heard the legends and the tales. I seek your wisdom and counsel. Where are you?
You are close, my son. Look deep within yourself, and you will find...
Enlightenment?
No. Enlettucement!
Falling Pets Guru on the hill, I finally found you!
Seriously? Couldn't just take it over? I'm literally the only one up this hill. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry about it. My son, I have for you the elusive answer to the elusive question of the elusive healthy burrito. It is enlettucement.
And I'm gonna show you how! So we're making a healthy burrito, and so we have the substitution, which is lettuce instead of tortillas. And so what we do is we take the lettuce, and we use foil so this because it's great if you want to just wrap it, or if you want to take it to go. It's a great little thing. So you're gonna mix just a couple lettuce pieces in right here. Place it about halfway on the foil. You're gonna take a couple, you wanna put all the dry ingredients in first. So you take a couple pieces of chicken, put it right here in the middle. If you want to, you can take roasted red bell peppers. Me personally, I like roasted red bell peppers, so I'm gonna put some on there. Take some of the mixed greens, put it on top. And then, oh yeah, some avocados. I love those. I'm gonna use some guac. And then I'm going to take about a spoonful of the pico, spoonful of the black beans. Oh, doesn't that look so amazing? And then I'm just going to squeeze a little lemon and lime. And then what you do is you're just going to wrap it just like that. Nice and simple. And there you have it. You have a healthy burrito wrap. Delicious. What can I say? Burritos are just awesome. I've been eating them for years, but the tortillas and amount of calories we find in them is alarming. Replacing tortillas with lettuce and reducing the amount of fatty carb-heavy ingredients, you won't be as bloated or inflamed, and it will make you for a much more satisfying and healthy experience. Hey, Guru! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Hey guys, that's it for This Instead of That this week. Thank you so much for joining us. Got any great food ideas you want us to do? Put it in the comments below, and if we choose yours, you could win any number of prizes, including being in a future episode of This Instead of That.
Please like, subscribe, and share it with as many people as possible because we just really want to promote this healthy, happy way of living. And so just keep doing that. We love you guys. And also,
We get to smash stuff!
let's smash more stuff, guys.
Yeah!
All right.
Smash that like button!
Exactly.
Dude, these
Thank
lettuce
you.
wraps are really good.
I know.
I'm kind of shocked, man. Did you find enlettucement when you ate it?
Enlettucement.
Enlettucement. Oh.